Skittish. Animal behavior in natural habitats.
Skittish animals react quickly when they sense danger. Researchers note that skittish behavior often appears in prey species. Moreover, skittish responses help animals survive sudden threats. For example, a skittish deer may jump away after hearing a twig snap. It may stop moving first to check the area for danger. Then it may bolt toward dense trees for safety. Finally, it may stay alert until the threat is gone. Another example involves skittish horses in open fields. They may shy away when a shadow moves nearby. They may toss their heads and step back quickly. They may also circle to keep their distance from the object. Consequently, these skittish reactions help them avoid danger. Therefore, scientists study skittish traits to understand survival patterns. They measure how skittish animals respond to noise or motion. They also compare skittish reactions across different species. In summary, skittish behavior illustrates how animals protect themselves by reacting rapidly to potential threats. Whether by freezing, fleeing, or keeping their distance, and thus plays a crucial role in their chances of survival in natural habitats.
So, skittish means easily startled by small or sudden stimuli. This definition highlights how quickly a creature reacts to unexpected change. Synonyms include jumpy, easily startled, and quick to react.